Hello, this is an Alesis QS8 that I've had for more than 25 years. And as you can see, one of the D keys collapsed. I'm not a keyboard repair technician, but I'm gonna try to fix it. So I'm gonna open it now. We need to remove 6 of the screws from the bottom, the ones on the short edge. And I'm gonna use a drill to do it faster. I'm using the lowest torque setting to avoid stripping the screws. Besides the screws from the bottom, I'm going to remove the 4 screws from the back to release the top cover. That's it. There is a small hook that holds each key from the back, and in the one that collapsed, the hook broke. Once we lift the key, we can see a green piece shaped like a cube. Here I am making a punch mark that is centered over the green cube. This mark is to drill a centered hole through the key and the green part. I apologize, but at this point of the recording, the battery of my camera died. What I did next was to drill and countersink a hole with an 1/8 of an inch drill bit to use as a guide for a 1 inch long flathead screw, and then I drop the screws to attach the parts. Finally, I put the cover and screws back in place.